Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make delicious gujia without using a mold. Let's dive right in. First, let's prepare the dough, and while the dough is resting, let's make the filling in a pan. Heat 2 tablespoons of ghee and add 1 cup of grated coconut and 1 cup of khoya. Saute for a few minutes until it's well combined. Now add half cup of powdered sugar and 1 tablespoon of cardamom powder and some chopped nuts like almond, cashew for that extra crunches. Mix well and set aside to cool. And now it's time to shape our gujia. Take a small ball of dough and roll it out into a thin circle and place about a tablespoon of filling in the center. Here the thick instead of using a mold, fold the circle in half to create a semicircle. Press the edges firmly to seal it, and for an extra touch you can create a decorative edges by twisting the sealing edges with your fingers. This not only seals the gujia but also gives it that traditional look. Next, heat oil in a pan for frying. Once hot, gently slide in your gujiyas and fry until they are golden brown on both sides, and drain them on paper towel to remove excess oil. And there you have it, perfectly shaped gujia without using mold. Enjoy them warm or store them for later. So guys, I just want to take a moment to say thank you for watching my video. Your support means the world to me, and it's what keep me motivated to create even more content for you. If you enjoy what you see and want to keep up with my latest upload, don't forget to like, share, subscribe to our channel for more amazing content. Till then, bye, take care guys.